I used to be a mechanical designer at an aerospace company where we were doing parts for all kinds of aircraft. AR was kind of, the new thing, and we were trying to figure out what we could do there. We started looking at XR, MR, VR, doing all kinds of different projects. I met up with my partner called Thor, and Thor is a pilot himself, as a flight instructor. And he came and saw what we did with the VR headsets and was like, you can learn how to fly an aircraft. Since you have dual lenses, you can get the depth perception, you can learn how to fly, you can learn how to land. So he came to me and figured like, we should do something about this. There's nothing on the market. Back in 2018, our first customer was the Royal Danish Air Force. And we thought that we were gonna do like flight simulators where you're starting to fly the actual aircraft, learning how to fly it. But then it ventured into this procedure training. We saw quite quickly that having to update these headsets manually and locking them down and so forth we needed some help for that. So I was looking at what was out there and stumbled upon ManageXR. Our first deployment was on the Quest 1, a fairly new headset, but ManageXR was supporting it in a very nice way. I think one of the biggest benefits from using a product like ManageXR is that we are able to send the VR headset directly to the end user, fully configured, fully locked down, all the nice features. It just saves so much time for everybody. The fact that you can make a nice custom home screen where you can limit what the user can do. We don't have that many local customers. When you're an instructor or trying to understand what goes on, if you don't do casting, then you have to ask them, so what do you see now? And just having the capabilities of going into ManageXR, press the stream button, just makes life a lot easier. Having the capabilities of using the headset for multiple groups of people just by changing the configuration allows that they don't have to buy 3 times as many headsets because they can reuse the headset across different classes. At VRpilot, if you look at our customer portfolio, like Alaska Airlines, Horizon Air, Republic Airways, so this is well-known brands. The vision of VRpilot is to be the leading provider of procedure training for pilots and other jobs surrounding an aircraft. And ManageXR is simply just making that happen. Using ManageXR just is a game changer.